Hello everyone, I am an intern working LEXIS and Company, and I am going to present on the topic the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropics Act of 1985. So there has been a consumption of drugs since a long time ago, and there were several acts, but not for the drugs. There were acts for the alcohol and other kinds of harmful substance abuse, but there wasn't any proper regulation to regulate the consumption, use, and even production of such drugs which are harmful for the body and the brain, and it alters the functions of the uh, body and brain if used for a long time. So the Act of Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Act uh, totally totally bans, abolishes the use of uh, usage, production, and possession of the drugs and substances such as heroin, then cocaine, cannabis, methadone, pethidine, codeine, etc. These substances are said to affect the brain, resulting in the alterations in the perceptions, moods, and consciousness. So the possession of the drug and the its depend and these punishment depends on the quantity of the drug involved. If for example a person has 1 kg of drug, then and other person has 20 kg of drug, then they might vary in the punishment duration, and the person with the lesser amount will suffer with a lesser degree of punishment. And the punishment is just the imprisonment or fine or both. Then there are 3 amendments done in the Act since till now, and in the there was a case of Mohanlal versus state of Rajasthan, in which the word possession had two meanings. First was physical control, which is a possession uh, that the person has this good. Along with there should be a mental intention of possessing the good. It doesn't mean that there are cases where a person has drugs, but he is not intended to keep it. Someone else has done in that case. So possession should have both physical control and intention. Then there's a section 42 under the Act, which is for the power of court and police. These are some special powers that a magistrate can issue a warrant without um, uh, can issue a warrant if he feels like uh, there is a doubt that this person possesses a drug, and even the police can search the suspicious person without a warrant as well, if he feels that the warrant issue will take time and it will allow the suspect to hide and destroy the uh, drug. Then he can do it, but he has to inform the superior or the magistrate officer. And other thing is that the search of the house and even the person has to be done in the presence of the magistrate officer, and in case of a woman it needs to be done by a woman officer only. So these were the aspects which needed to be discussed under the Act. Thank you.